Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin is si Sayes. So titingnan natin guys kung anong laman at kung legit si seller. Lead strip guys.
Anong sabi mo?
So ito yung guys, 2 pieces lead strips. Thank you for watching.